Ladies and gentlemen, this is me here. And I've just been released by the police. You know, we told them that you can't sustain this, but they hear what now. So I'm in front of the IRT, just been released from detention after 48 hours by the illegal IGP and his people. What I told them when they arrested me is the same thing they are now living with, the fact that we can't hold an idea whose time has come. But I want to thank every one of you out there who's worked very hard, stayed all this night up late, ensuring that they didn't get away with this crime against humanity. And I'm just very excited to let you know that now,
revolution, no, revolution, no.
Sorry about your heart.
All right, guys. So we're going back to work.
Aluta continues. Their father's father. Yep. You don't get who they fear for the full country. Yes, it's spite their hand, their papa.
Yes, now.
It's spite their hand, we are going on.
We're going back to work, man. You know, okay. So we'll talk to you guys very much later in the evening after I will see a doctor now. But I want to thank our great lawyers, as you can see them. I thank my brother here. I'm the older brother, by the way. So you guys know Akin very well. He has not slept since I left. And okay, Mr. Thank you so much for great legal firework in the last few days. All you guys out there, Black Boy, very grateful to all of you. The revolution has just started.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there's nothing anybody can do about it. An idea whose time
how rich?
So, we'll be talking to you much later because I have to check the hands. Once in a while, they have to try us to see whether we are still the people we say we are. Yes. So when they try it and it doesn't work, then they capitulate. All right. So thank you, everybody. You know, today I'm going to give them a bit of a break. Atiku, thank you. I heard you issued a statement. Peter Obi, thank you. Deji, man, I don't know where you are. Everybody was talking about the Detention. Very dark man. Babaye, Juwon, take it back, guys. Mama P. Oh, Mama P, yes. I've never met you, even though I've heard a lot about you in Abuja. I hope to meet you one of these days. I saw Wise Man in Lagos, Jamil, everybody that's seeking, yeah, you know, A3, and a crew that came all the way from Lagos. I think they came here for a purpose and they found this and they joined them. And I have to also especially thank all those retired policemen that I saw today. They melted my heart. They came and fought this battle. We are together until the exit CPS. And all our police friends, we have already created a police movement. So they will hear from them very soon. So they will hear. But there's no time to take time, man. Revolution now.
Femi.
Oh, yes. Oh, Femi Falana. You know, how do you thank Femi Falana? That one is a special broadcast now. Yes, Femi FF, thank you so much. And everyone, I know there's a lot of people I need to thank individually. I will follow you as soon as I have some time. But like I said, this wasn't even an application, it was part of the work. We are going back to work. Thank you.